161 fanny on tap.
I can't put that in.
So what's just happened?
Don't know. Didn't see it. What happened?
I'll tell you what happened, Ben.
Oh, from the tree.
Just been taken out of race 1. I've said that a lot this year. Just been taken out of race 1. And
ready for race 2.
And started last for race 2. Yeah, I've said that a lot this year.
Yes.
So you can see what we've done. Use a lot of tape and nail varnish. So Rimmel,
Sponsor us, please.
sponsor me, please. And yeah, there's not really a lot else to say, is there? Really? Started piece 15,
Got to 8.
got to 8, 7th for a brief moment.
5th quickest out there.
5th quickest, and then had to pace for 5th, and then got fired off. But luckily, mechanically wise, she's sound. So that's all for now.
It's done. That's it. Nothing else has happened.
Nothing else has happened really.
Oh, touring cars are here this weekend.
Yeah.
Someone put it on pole. Don't know. There you go. Gemma, you ain't care about that, will you? She's not here.
Yeah. Gemma's not here. Actually, that leads me on nicely. Say hi to the vlog, Kathy. There you go. Got some feisty Gem blood in the team. That's it. Nothing else has happened.
He ditched it.
Well, that's
Who was that guy?
Who
Who was that guy?
Was he from another team?
Was he from another team? Was he from another team? No, he wasn't. Morocco Racing Apparel. You can buy this now. You can't, but
Oh,
if you want to buy it,
give us a ring.
hit me up.
Slide into his DMs.
Look me up, baby.
But yeah, no, if you want to buy any Morocco Racing Apparel, do let us know. I'm sure we can figure something out for you.
I mean, everyone who watches this has already got.
Yeah, I mean, there's about everyone who watches the vlog is here anyway, so you've all got stuff. So
You need anything else though? Just
anything else? Hats, underwear.
Yeah.
Is that geezer again?
Do you know what really does my nut in?
What
there?
does your nut?
Random blokes just coming in,
Thinking they can interrupt.
thinking they can rudely interrupted again. Who was it the first time? I forget. Was it Rockingham?
It was
Rockingham. Then we were rudely interrupted at Spa as well.
Yeah, by thingy.
Yeah, by a photographer. And now just random blokes from the paddock.
You're right.
Oh, there's another one.
I'm alright. But apart from that, this has been Morocco Racing Vlogs, and that's part 1 done here at Knockhill. We'll be back
For part
tomorrow
2.
for part 2,
And that'll be it.
and that'll be it because we won 2 races.
Yeah.
You right, Sam?
And then we've got to go home. So I've got work at 6:30 in the morning. On that note,
Yeah. Yeah.
Look again.
on that note, grazie ragazzi, Forza Ferrari,
Grande
Lavoro, Grande Strategia.
Involved can be very proud and
They just got on it by
yeah,
themselves.
keep
Saying.
the car is just working in all sorts of tracks and conditions.
Far down
I
that
think that's the key.
He's going to come and co-host the vlog with me. Well, that was quite bouncy actually.
That was the state of the car. No.
It's fucking one of yours.
Get out.
I'm not funny enough on my own, so someone's got to do it.
Out. Sorry.
What's the outro going to be?
There's going to be no
No,
outro.
there's no outro, is there? Because you said the Spa one would be the first and the last.
I'm the last. So, we'll go this way. So, Welcome to Sunday at the Knock. At the Knock.
Have we got all the broken pieces of the car?
And you'll never guess what? We've been taking
double DNF!
double DNF.
Jeez.
Yeah. Once again. Once
I don't know.
again, that's a
That
good
was a
effort.
mystery,
That's a
wasn't it?
great effort. That is.
That's
I'm
a
actually
bit of a
quite.
mystery.
it's a-
I'm
I'm
not-
quite proud of that actually.
And then fellow competitor there.
Yeah.
Also.
Also taken out. Also involved in the incident. So
Big Sean.
Boss Dog is still intact. So
He's still alive.
yeah, it's a bit gutting really. You can see there we've got a wishbone.
That's the part of your steering rack.
It's more. And I mean,
that was
I don't even know what that
was
meant.
connected to your steering rack.
Yeah.
And that's connected to your wheel bit. And that, still, that came straight off. Don't need that.
so
Hi.
Hello.
Yeah.
oh, and there's the steering rack.
Oh, I broke 2 of those.
Luckily the rear bumper's all right.
No,
The
you
light
know what
fixing.
I'm most good about? I replaced these and they're broken again.
I know. Yeah, not ideal. But hey, oh. So yeah,
There's not a lot to say, is there?
not really.
We've got to make this last. Keep going.
So I mean,
our duct tape didn't do very well, did it?
no, it didn't hold up to the.
Wow. That was really funny then.
But yeah, you see, this is all gone. Complete destruction. So yeah, even our
76 is gone.
the 76 Briller's got just a good job we got a spare one. But
No, it's the car actually.
how was it?
Yeah.
That's right. But yeah.
Roland Donington.
So thank you to those who have watched.
Stop there, rude.
Thank you to those that have watched. I've been Carlito.
I'm dead.
And together we are. No, I'm kidding. But yeah. Peace out.